Good morning, all of you. I really hope you all are fine. Today, I'm back with another video of value education. So, students, take out your books and open page number 22. Today, we will study chapter number 6 Speak the Truth. Now, the theme of this chapter is that it is good to be brave and speak the truth. That we should always speak the truth, and it also shows that how brave we are. So let's start the chapter. Before reading the chapter, let's first look at this question. You borrow a book from your friend. By mistake, your brother spills milk on it. What you will do? Now you borrow a book from your friend and your younger brother or sister spills milk on it. So tell me, students, what you will do. First option, tell your friend the truth and return the book. Keep the book and say you will never took it. You never took it. So in first option, you have to speak the truth, and in second option, you have to speak a lie. So tell me, students, you will speak the truth or you will speak the lie? We should always speak the truth. So take this option, students. You will tell your friend the truth and return the book. And you will never lie. Okay, now read this story to know what Dimpy does when she spoils her friend's book by mistake. Now, in this story, Dimpy, a girl named Dimpy, did the same thing. She spoils her friend's book by mistake. Now, let us see, students, what happened in the chapter. Dimpy speaks the truth. Dimpy loves to read books. She borrows a story book from Minnie. She reads the book and keeps it on the window sill. Now, as you can see, Dimpy loves to read book. She borrows a story book. She read that book and keeps it on a windowsill. Then she goes to sleep. That night it rains. The book gets wet in the rain. Now, can you see, students? She forgot the story book on windowsill and the window was open. And that night it started raining. So what happened? The books get wet in the rain. Dimpy sees it in the morning and starts crying. How can I tell her, mummy? Says Dimpy. Now Dimpy was very sad and she was crying. She asked her mama that how can I tell her, mummy? Minnie will stop talking to me. Now she was really worried that Minnie will stop talking to me. Mummy says, speak the truth. Say sorry to her. Tell her that you wish you were more careful. She will stop talking to you only if you lie. Now Dimpy's mother told her that you should tell the truth to her. If you will lie, she will stop talking to you. So go and tell her the truth. and tell her that I am sorry, I will never do this again, I will be careful next time. Now, what happened next? Come on, page number 23. Dimpy goes to the school. She is very scared, but she does as Mummy says. Minnie says, "Never mind, Dimpy. Now, Minnie." What Minnie said, what Minnie told to Dimpy? "Never mind, Dimpy. Don't worry. It was just a mistake. At least you did not lie to me." Dimpy is very happy. She decides to always speak the truth. Now Dimpy was very happy and she decided that I will always speak the truth. Now students, as you can see in the chapter, like Dimpy's mother told her not to say or speak lie to her. Instead, she told her to speak the truth. Our mama papa also tell us every time that we should always speak the truth. So if you will see this story, if you will understand this story, you will get to know that we should always speak the truth. Yes, students. Now, question time. Take the correct answer. What did Dimpy borrow a storybook from Minnie? To make notes or to read? Tell me, class, to make notes or to read it? Yes, the correct answer is to read it because she loves to read the book. Where does Dimpy keep the book? On the windowsill? In her bag? Tell me the correct answer, students. She kept her book on the windowsill. Mark the correct option, students. Now, third. What happens to the book at night? Tell me, students, what happened that night? It was raining. So, answer is it gets wet. What does Mummy ask Dimpy to do? Now, Dimpy got worried that Minnie will never talk to me, but what Mummy asked Dimpy to do? To hide the book or tell the truth? Tell me, students. To tell the truth or to hide the book? Dimpy's mother told her to tell the truth. Now, what does Minnie says to Dimpy? I won't talk to you. Don't worry. Now, students, tell me, what does Minnie say to Dimpy when she told her that sorry, I have ruined your book? She said, don't worry. At least you didn't lie to me. Now, next, what does Dimpy decide to do? Always speak the truth. Yes, stop talking to Minnie. Tell me, students. Always speak the truth or stop talking to Minnie? She decided always speak the truth. Take on the correct option, students. Mark on the correct options. Very good. Now coming on to next page. Now time to think. Read the poem. What do they tell me? Now students, let us read this poem. You please, all of you, put your fingers and read it with me. What do they tell me? Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird on the tree. Always speak the truth. She seems to tell me. Meow, meow, says the cat softly. Never hide the truth, she seems to tell me. Wow, wow, says the dog happily. Never tell a lie, he seems to tell me. Now, sometimes it is not easy to tell the truth, but it is the best thing to do. If you make a mistake or do something wrong, admit it. If you are really sorry, people will understand, they will not get angry with you. In this paragraph, students, simply it is written that we should always speak the truth. Sometimes happen that sometimes we are afraid of our parents, or we are afraid from our friends that they will scold us if we will tell the truth. For example, you break a glass at home, or any mirror at home. So what you will think, that I should lie to mama that I didn't do that, right? But no, you should always speak the truth. So this paragraph and this poem explains this thing very clearly, that cuckoo, bird, cat, dog, all the animals and human beings around us tells us that we should always speak the truth. Okay, students? Very good. Now, time for reality check. What should the child do? Color the correct picture. Now, students, I will discuss it with you. Okay? So, suppose you found a pencil. Okay, this boy, he finds a pencil in classroom. So, what he should do, students? Keep that pencil in his bag or give it to class teacher? The correct option is he should give it to class teachers. Now finds a wallet. You know what is a wallet? It carries money. Now what he will do? He will hand over to the person, or he will keep that wallet? Tell me, students. He will hand over to the person or the owner of the wallet, or he will keep that wallet? Yes, he will hand over the purse to that person. Or if you color these two pictures, fill the color and do the coloring properly. Now, come on next page, students. Page number 25. Now let's continue this question. Has to share a chocolate. Now, tell me, students, he will share only one piece, or he will share half of the chocolate with his younger brother? If you are sharing chocolate with your brother or sister, so what you will do? You will share it into two pieces, or you will give him or her only a one piece? Which is the correct option? He will divide it into two. So color the second picture. Now see, students, I gave you this example only. Now this girl breaks a pot. Now she's very worried, up to, like mama will scold us. So now in first picture she will run away. Sorry, in the second picture she will run away. Or in first picture you can see that she is telling truth to her mama. Now tell me, students, what she will do? She will ignore that, or she will tell her to mama? So the correct option is this. She will tell the truth to Mama. All of you color these two pictures. Please fill the colors very nicely. Okay, students? Now, what you will do in the given situation. Now, students, there are few situations. This is your homework. That what you have learned today, you will do this thing in homework. Okay, there are few situations and you need to choose the correct option. Please do it, and you can also submit homework to me. And after this is a activity. This is an activity in which you need to make a poster on honesty and hang it in your room. You may write these points. Now I am honest when. Now you can make a poster, students, and on that poster you can share all the points that you follow. Like, I am honest when I do my own homework, speak the truth, do as I promise, admit my mistake, keep a friend's secret, return what I find, do not cheat. Like this. Okay, students, it's up to you. Okay, it will be fun making a poster, right? Okay, students, I hope you understood the chapter and theme of the chapter, that it is good to be brave and speak the truth. Thank you, students.